viewers. How are you? I hope everybody is fine and happy. Yes. Today we are going to see lesson 5, capacity. So what do you mean by capacity? The capacity is the measure or the amount of the liquid a container can hold. Imagine you are taking a water bottle to your school, isn't it, dear? You know that, isn't it? Sometimes the water can may be small. Something will be bigger, isn't it? So it is 1 liter or 500 ml. So how much water you drink, that is good for your health, isn't it, dear? Right. The smaller quantities are measured in milliliters, that can be written as ml, and larger quantities are measured in liter, that is represented by L. Okay. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So that you can see when a milkman comes. Have you seen that? He's having one container, isn't it? In that container, he will measure 1 liter. If you want half a liter of milk, he will give you 500 ml. If you want 1/4 liter, he will give you 250 ml. And if you want 3/4 liter, he will give you 750 ml of milk. Okay. So you have 1 liter cup and half liter cup and 200 ml cup, 100 ml cup, 50 ml cup, and so on. Okay. So with this, we can have a standard measure of measuring it. Okay. Now we are going to see conversion of liters to milliliters. To convert liters into milliliters, we multiply liter by 1000. Already we have studied the conversion with the word mass and kilometers, those things. Now we are going to see to convert into liter to milliliter. You know, what do you know? 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. This you know, right? So 6 liter is equal to 6 into 1 liter. That is equal to 6 into 1000 ml. That is equal to 6000 ml. 6 into 1000, 6000. If it is 7 liter, 7000 ml. 8 liter, 8000 ml. Same way, 5 liter, 560 ml. How will you change it? Yes. Now we are going to change this. First, what you have to do is you consider this liter and milliliter. Okay. So you can separate this 5 liter plus 560 ml. Okay. Next step is what? 5 into 1000 ml plus 560 ml. Fine. Next, what I can do? 5 into 1000 will become what? 5000 ml plus 560 ml. That is equal to 5560 ml. So likewise, if you want to convert milliliter to liters, means you have to multiply it by 1000. Okay. So milliliter is small and liter is big. So small to big, it is what? Multiplied by 1000. Right? Now you can do the rest of the sum in the exercise 5.1. Two more sums are there, right? Same thing in the second division. Convert 4000 ml into liters. How you are going to convert? You know that, isn't it? 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Okay. So you have 4000 ml here. So how will you write it? So 4000 ml divided by 1000 ml will give you a liter. So cancel these zeros. What do you get? 4 liter. Okay. Likewise, how will you change this? Same thing. 3000 ml plus 496 ml. Okay. Here 3000 ml divided by 1000 ml. So what do you get? 3 liters, isn't it here? Yes. So 3 liters plus 496 ml. So that can be written as 3 liter 496 ml. Okay. Yes. So this is common thing what you have repeatedly doing with the previous exercise also, isn't it? Previous chapter we saw, isn't it? Yeah. Same model, you can complete the other two sums. Okay. Now we are going to see addition of capacities. See here, exercise 5.2 A is sum. You are going to add. It's easy, isn't it? So 700 plus 500 is what? 1200. So here that you are going to give them 1 liter to that. I have taught you before, isn't it here? 700, 500, isn't it? When you add, what you get? 7 plus 5 is 12. So what? 1200. So when you convert this, what will happen? 1 liter 200 ml. So I'll write 200 ml in the 200 ml place and 1 liter to here. Okay. Yes, I think you can understand now. So 1 liter I have given. So it is 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 carry over 1. Okay. Fine. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Yes. I hope you can understand. So how we have converting this milliliter to liter, can you understand? First I added, I get 1200 ml. I changed it into liter and milliliter and gave the 1 liter to that side. Okay. So now arrange in unit column and add. So now we are going to arrange it and add. So here 75 liter and 990 ml. Here 12 liter and 450 ml. Now we are going to add 0 and 9 plus 5 is 14, carry over 1. So again it becomes 10 and 14, isn't it? So I take this 1 liter and giving here. Okay. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So I can write the answer as 88 liters and 440 milliliters. Yes? Yes. I hope you can understand this and you can do this in the book itself. No need to write it in the classwork. So all these exercises, what I am giving, you can complete in the book itself. Right? Right. Subtraction of capacities of exercise 5.3. Now you are going to subtract this. So how will you subtract? Here's a 15 liter and 500 ml, 4 liter 250 ml. Okay. Right. Can you give a statement sum for this, number story for this? You can think of it, isn't it? So in a marriage house, they need 15 liter 500 ml. Okay. Yes. And that 4 liter and 250 ml of milk is balance. Okay. How much is used? Easily we can find, isn't it? So we can subtract this. 0 minus 0 is 0. You take a borrow from here. This become 4 and this will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So simply you should know 500 minus 250 is 250. Okay. 1000 minus 500 is 500. So you can know this easily. Then 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1 will be answer. So how much is used? 11 liters 250 ml. Okay. Now arrange in unit column and subtract. So arrange it in liters and milliliter. From this you are going to subtract this. That carefully listen to it. So this is what? 87 liter 560 ml. Right? And take 56 liters and 860 ml. So subtract it. So what do you get? 0. It's 0, isn't it here? But here it is 560 ml, here 860 ml. For this, what we have to do? I have to borrow 1 liter from here. If I borrow 1 liter, that will be what? 1000 ml, isn't it? I want to take this liter and put it to ml, means I have to convert, isn't it? So I take 1 liter and when I come to here, it becomes 1000. And I add this 1000 with 560. Is it clear here? Already here 560 ml is there. In 560 ml, I am going to add this 1 liter. That will become what? 1000 ml. So 1000 ml plus 560 is what? 0, 6 and 5 and 1. 1560. Okay. In that I am going to subtract 860. Can I subtract now? Yes, isn't it? So this is bigger number and this is smaller number. I can subtract. So 860. Fine. I hope you can understand easily. Yes? Yes. So from this, if you subtract, what do you get? 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 15 minus 8 is what? 7. Okay. Yes. So this will become what? 700. And this will become what? 87 before number 86. Okay. So when you borrow itself, you have to cancel it and keep. Okay. Or else you will forget. So 6 minus 6 will 0. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So you can write it as 30 liters and 700 ml. I hope you can understand easily. So you are borrowing 1 liter towards here. Right? So it will become 1000. 1000 plus 560 is 1560. And subtract this 860, you get 700. Okay, fine. Next we'll go to the number stories. Number stories. A juice seller sold 15 liter 125 ml orange juice in the morning and 18 liter 650 ml mango juice in the evening. How much juice did he sell altogether? So together means you know that it is an addition, isn't it, dear? Right. Then how will you write this? So the quantity of juice, orange juice, okay, orange juice sold is equal to liter milliliter. So it is what? 15 and 125. Okay. Next it is asked about mango juice, isn't it? So quantity of mango juice sold is equal to how much, dear? 18 liter 650 ml. So now you can add. They are asking the quantity of juices sold altogether is equal to, so you can add it, 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 6 is 7, and 8 plus 5 is 13, carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, right? Yes. So now we can write it as 33 liters and 750 ml of juices, right? That is the answer. Fine. Next we'll go to the binsam. A pack of juice containing 2 liter 250 ml of juice. Okay. Mohit drank 750 ml of juice. Okay. How much juice is left in the pack? So it is easy, isn't it? So the total quantity of the juice is what? 2 liter 250 ml. So total quantity of juice is equal to liter milliliter, isn't it? So it is 2 and 250 ml. Mohit drank how much? 750 ml. So quantity of juice drank is equal to 750 ml alone. So in the liter place, what will you do? You will put, very good, 0. So here it will become what? 750. Fine. Now listen to here. Here it is 2 liter and 250 ml. Here 750 ml. From 250 ml we can't take 750. So I am going to borrow. Yeah, I can hear your answer. It is, you are borrowing 1 liter, that is 1000 ml, isn't it? So 1000 plus 250 is what? 1250. From this we are going to subtract 750. Yes, we can subtract now. Yes. So 0, 5 minus 5 is 0 and 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. Yes, I hope you understand. This is 500 and this will become what? 1. So 1 liter 500 ml of juice is left back. Okay. So 1 liter and 550 ml. So the quantity of juice left is equal to 1 liter 500 ml. It's okay. Hope you can understand this. The rest of the worksheets are you can do it. Here takeoff is given. See, circle the most suitable unit of measure the following. Example, in this book, take page number 77. You have to circle the most suitable unit to measure the following. Okay, a drum filled with water will be a milliliter or liter. Bigger quality can be measured in what? Yeah, So it is liter. Next, a glass of milk. Very good, milliliter. A bottle of medicine. Will it be liter or milliliter? You can check with your paracetamol, isn't it? So milliliter. Water tank in your home. Very good, liter. Then a can of cooking oil. 1 liter is there, isn't it? 1 liter. Even you can have a half a liter or 250 ml can is there. So it can be both liter. You can use liter, milliliter. 500 ml can is there. So this is up to you, right? Like this, you can complete the whole thing in the book itself. So no need of taking class work, right? Fine. So with this, we are completing the lesson 5, and we will discuss the integrity activity and experiential learning in the Zoom interaction. Thank you, dears.